Hi guys, Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have a cell phone and tablet stand. Yeah, that's all it says. So here is what it is. You guys can see it has specifications and stuff. So this stand can just rotate and stuff, and it's quite big. So we're gonna open this. That's trash right there. Also trash. So there's one screw. If you guys can see, there's one screw and a wrench over here, and there's plastic wrapping. Let's first take this thing out. This is the base. I have lots of questions right now. Then we take this out. This is a stand part. Here's the screw. So, and there's the ratchet. Let's take that out, put this all back in, put this aside. So, over here, let's first take this out. It is a Saiji, and let's see. So, here's a user's manual, and here's just a paper. So that paper. So over here it says that on the manual it says you put it, and from the bottom you're gonna screw it in. Okay, should be quick. So now it's tight. We'll take that out. This here, this trash away, and so here it is, and away you pull it. You just pull it. There, you can go quite high. You can rotate like so, and then you can just like lightning this. Maybe put it back down. Or you just push it. It's a bit like rough, or not as smooth, just like that. So I have my iPad. I am going to stretch it. And I'm going to put my iPad mini on this like so. So I can stretch a bit and just, push it up in a bit. So now you have it rotatable. Okay, you can also put it up. Just have you can also tilt up and down like that. So I can just have it like this, do something, or yeah, it's quite nice. So this would be usually used to have a stand for a Zoom call on your iPad, or if you want to film something, a stand like this, or you could just flip it and have it as a tripod. So this thing is quite nice. I like it. So this is a very big stand. So so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Bye.